Hi friends, under this side, your communication influencer. How are you? And back again, a Monday morning, very positive morning. So today my topic of discussion would be something how to remain positive in this negative environment. One, why should we say it's a negative environment? Because many people say that the things are not working out the way you want to. The freedom is lost. You've got to go out with the mask and everything, but I say that positivity is something which you need to have it in your mind, and secondly you need to find out from small things. One, let us discuss on a very beautiful statement was given by Bo Bennett, who said having a positive mental attitude is asking how something can be done rather than saying it can be done. So it's something like that you need to know what is to be done, how to extract the best from the worst is what is a positive attitude. And how you look at things is what matters the most, in terms that um, lockdown can be a boon for somebody, a bane for somebody. Boon as in you spend time with the family, at the same time a parallel is drawn in terms of insecurity of jobs and insecurity of things, whether how things will become normal or not, how to adjust with the new normal and things like that. So there are a lot of associated factors with that. But friends, just few pointers how to remain positive during this negativity is: one, you should be sleeping at the right time, getting up at the right time. And it has been observed that people sleep very late and they get up accordingly. So that has spoiled their cycle of sleeping. So probably somewhere down the line it hits you, right? Then you have to focus on the solutions rather than the problems. How to come out with the problem rather than focusing now this is the problem. How to come out with it is more important. Then you need to have a very important aspect that in the morning when you get up you should thank God that I'm able to see the day of light. And then secondly, I should have a very positive attitude, what I have to do, and I need to be very pepped up in the morning itself to manage things. Then you have to constantly reinforce. I have discussed in my earlier videos also that you need to keep on reinforcing things, then it becomes your habit. So we have to constantly reinforce that it has to be done. I mean, you need to be happy, you need to do this, you need to have a positive frame of mind. Your mind thought process should be very positive, and that is what is going to give you a lot of happiness. So reinforcement of the happy thoughts all the time. Then you have to keep on take one affirmation in a day. I want to be happy, that's the only affirmation, and then everything will fall into place. I want to do this. Keep repeating your affirmations. That is going to digress you from your negative emotions and put you onto a track. It will take some time. It's not a very easy task. It is a very, very difficult task, but you can do it. Nothing is impossible in this world, right? Then if anybody says anything to you, please don't take it personally. Just listen from one ear, remove to take it out from the other ear. Easier said than done. Yes, it is easier said than done, because everybody is so vulnerable at this point in time. It is difficult for you to kind of look into the facts that that let one person say and then you get off it. It's very difficult, but yes, if you can do it, try doing it. Learn to meditate. Meditation is something which can take you away from all your negativity, and it can also help you remove your positive the negative mindset which you are presently having. And it's like over a period of time things would become stable, and it is, they say that 21 days you do, it becomes your habit. Is it not a habit that we move out of the house with the mask? Every day when you go, you have a bottle of sanitizer with you, then you have a mask with you, you wash your hands when you come back, you gargle. So these have become our habits. So friends, having a positive mindset also can become a habit if practiced regularly with a conscious effort. I will not say it comes naturally. It is a very, very conscious effort, and we need to actually work on it to bring it. So friends, let's be positive and keep smiling always. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you've liked it. And bye for now, Sandhya.